I'm gonna transform this t-shirt into a braided tank top. Stick around and take a look how I do it. Hello, welcome to my channel, Sewing at Home Mom. So many super annoying holes. Step one is to fold the t-shirt onto 2 equal parts. Once I do that, I will cut the sleeves off about 1 inch away from that sleeve seam. So 1 inch and a little bit deeper into the side fold, about 5 inches. So like that. Just like that. Take scissors and cut the sleeves off. Okay, just like that. Next step is to cut off the collar. I'm going to cut it off a little bit away from the original stitching, so about 1/2 inch. Good. I don't need that anymore. Next step is to cut this off. All right, good. Okay, now I'm going to cut the back part into 3 sections. So best way would be to fold the back to find the center back and then adjust anything that's uneven, especially the collar area. Okay. So even that out. Okay, that looks good. And now I'll go a little bit on diagonal, not too much, not in a straight line, but a little bit like here. And I'll go a little bit deeper, lower than side curve. So now I have 1, 2, and 3. And now stretch these parts as much as you can. You want to stretch them to get that destroyed looking edge, unfinished edge of the fabric. Stretch, stretch, stretch. All right. And before we do anything else, I'd like to also stretch the side raw edge of that tank top to give it that and distressed look. Okay, so once you have that, it's time to start making the braid. And as you go, squeeze it to make it look nice. Can pull on the other side a little bit. That looks good. Okay, next step, so once you do that, next step is to secure this braid, thread and a needle to stitch this together. All right, grab yourself thread and a needle. Make sure to make a knot at the end of the thread. There are many layers, so you might have to push the needle hard. All right. Tie a knot again, so the stitches will not undo itself. Flip that off. So that's the braid. And now I will round this area like a little bit to make it nice and even. Okay, stretch it again. Stretch, stretch. Okay, perfect. The next step is to connect the braid to the middle, to the center back. So let's undo that. This is where the center is. I'm gonna put it on top, but right side facing the braid. So this way. So this way, when I stitch it now and I undo it, it will look nicely finished. I'm gonna thread in the needle. I'm gonna tie a knot. Okay. You can do that on sewing machine as well. I'm using a running stitch, okay? And now I am going to tie a knot just to make sure that the stitch will not undo itself. Good. Now instead of cutting right here, right now, I will get this needle back inside anywhere away from the right side, poke it out. So this way I will make sure that the stitch will not undo itself. Now I can cut off the thread and that's it. It's done. And just to give it a little bit more distressed look, like damage and distress, I will a little bit make these holes bigger by pulling onto them. There's so many, and if I'll try to fix it, it's just gonna show anyway, okay? And then I'll make a few more over here on the side. Just with the tip of your scissors, you can cut a hole here and there. Okay, and then stretch them. Okay, just like that. And I can add a couple more on the other side and stretch them as well. Got some holes over here and over here, and then more on the bottom of the t-shirt. So that's how it looks.